Argon Denims Ltd, a state-of-the-art denim fabric manufacturer, started its journey in 2008 with the goal of producing world-class premium quality denim fabrics to satisfy the fast-growing fashion industry. It is located in Gazipur, 55 kilometers away from Dhaka city. In respect to technology and machinery, Argon can claim a lot of pride because of its conscientious search of latest technology and flexible modern machinery from Europe, USA, and Asia. ADL is equipped to produce 22 million yards fabric annually of high-quality fashion-driven fabrics and supplying to the world-leading denim retailers like Zara, H&M, Bershka, Pull & Bear, Esprit, C&A, Kiabi, Perry Ellis, and Target Australia. Argon has its own power generation facility of 3 megawatts per hour, which satisfies its entire needs along with 360 tons of steam and 300,000 cubic meter of compressed air per day. Denim is a product which deserves fashion along with sustainability. ADL is balancing between sustainability and fashion very efficiently for keeping them environment friendly. Argon Spinning, a sister concern of Argon Denims, is the latest vertical integration which started in 2016 with most upgraded technology from all over Europe. It produces about 9,500 tons of best quality yarn per annum. The spinning established to meet up the qualitative demand and supplying mostly to Argon Denims Ltd to cater to today's fast-growing fashion industry with a lot of versatility in the yarn. Located in Hobbyganj, Sylhet. ADL is focusing on sustainable raw materials like pre- and post-consumer waste and at the same time developing the dyeing process in such a way which consumes 50 to 60% less water and 40 to 50% less chemicals compared to the conventional indigo process. The production process starts with warping, which is equipped with 2 new generation direct high-speed wrappers chosen on the basis of unique technology, optimum ergonomics, and high flexibility. They come with a creel size which allows warping for fabrics of varied weight range from light 3.75 ounces to heavy products in the 14-ounce category. The machines contain automated yarn cleaner which cleans up the yarn dust resulting in a clean beam sheet. These machines are also equipped with adjustable swing reeds which allows perfect tension control for different type of yarn counts. The machine capacity is around 2.2 million meters per month and it is also recycled about 200 tons of leftover yarn per year. Both of the continuous dyeing and sizing range from Panam, Taiwan are characterized with optimized human operation, intelligent control, and calculated precision controlling processes. These 2 machines are capable of dyeing and sizing a wide range of yarn counts, 6s to 50s, in indigo, sulfur black, sulfur bottoming indigo topping, indigo bottoming sulfur topping with various casts. The 16 numbers of dyeing bath, including steamers, ensures very good color fastness, color depth, and shade consistency. An innovative roller system above the baths allows bicolor dyeing from creating stripped denims. These machines can be operated in separate sections. The front end includes the creel section and middle part is the dyeing washing sizing section. These are operated and controlled in a fixed speed for uniform dyeing, sizing, and drying operations. The back end consists of the beam loading apparatus and could be operated without interrupting the middle section. The division keeps colors and sizing speed unchanged and maintains consistent color quality while changing to new lot at the front end section, resulting in consistent shade throughout the lot. A specific dyeing lab with designated professionals is working round the clock to monitor and doing the required adjustment for maintaining the consistency and repeatability of color. Despite a very precise color dosing controlled by PLC due to change of weather, temperature, and natural fiber, the adjustment is inevitable. The readings are taken from each bath every 30 minutes and required adjustment of dosing rate, machine temperature, and speed are adjusted. The sizing filters are added with the dyeing machine to have the clean yarn and the fabric, which is a unique addition in Argon. Argon is capable of weaving 20 million yards of fabrics per annum and it has 111 highly sophisticated air jet looms from Picanol, Belgium, which are used for weaving. These looms have a mechanical speed of 1200 RPM and all looms are equipped with proper accessories and parts to handle 100% cotton, cotton viscose, tencel, polycotton, stretch yarn with lycra and spandex. These looms are capable of producing different types of weaves like plain, 3x1 twill, 2x1 twill, broken twill, herringbone, mat, and dobby weave. The looms allow for very dense and compact weaving without production problems and are preferred for handling fabrics with elastane. These machines have highly energy savings capability and use minimum amount of air and power to maintain the maximum speed. Auto-diagnosis of maintenance requirement is one of the uniqueness of these machines. The in-house finishing unit ensures that any fabric that moves out of our factory is the best quality product. The finishing line has machines that have been carefully selected after a lot of product analysis and market research to process denim fabrics, and the finishes offered are pre-shrunk, flat, over-dyed, and coated. ADL is equipped with 2 Sinzing of Menzel USA, 2 Sanforizing of Cibitex Italy and Tal, 1 Mercerizing of Tal, and a Stenter machine with coating head from Babcock, Germany. ADL is capable of doing different kind of finishing, mercerizing, and coating according to the requirement of the fast fashion industry. Quality assurance is one of the strongest area of ADL. Each and every yard of the fabric delivered to the customer is tested against the required standard. Once it passes the test, it is then sent for the 100% inspection. In this regard, from yarns to fabrics, Argon promises global high-level quality. This promise requires rigorous quality control mechanism backed by skilled and trained workforce and supervision monitoring all quality indices by implementing quality check at different levels. A well-equipped laboratory for testing and washing backup stringent tolerance limits. The result is a reduced rework and rejection percentage. 73 members of quality assurance team scrutinizes quality at every step of the process, starting right from raw material purchase to final finished product till delivery. ADL also takes assistance of the in-house or accredited testing laboratories where necessary. Because of such quality measures, our clients get exactly what they want. Our well-equipped internal laboratory is the backbone of quality and product development sections. To ensure constant quality at every stage of production and sampling, ADL has set up an upgraded laboratory with European equipment that makes easier for major customers to accredited ADL lab. This lab makes sure whatever fabric is delivered, it is as per buyer's quality parameters. At the end, it helps to reduce the lead time and save a lot of money. The lab equipment includes 2 Genesis 20 spectrophotometer for color matching, tear and tensile strength tester for yarn and fabric from UK, Electrolux precision washer and precision tumble dryer for shrinkage testing, crop meter and perspirometer for color fastener. The lab is integrated with a focused sample washing setup to strengthen quality control. The washing team also works closely with the design team for new product development and matching client requirements. We have qualified washing professionals who manage this area and extend help to our clients if they need. ADL maintained the policy of 100% fabric inspection very strictly, following the 4-point inspection system. Each and every roll contains the data and stored in the server. It helps the garment manufacturer for their cutting plan. During the inspection, head end cutting is taken from each and every individual roll for further shade batching based on the color group. One piece of the head end is always kept with the roll and wrapped with stretch poly film. This cutting helps the garment manufacturer to segregate and make the cutting plan according to the different shade group. The other part of the head end is used to make the blanket along with approved fabric and is washed together and made into few shade groups for every single order, enabling the garment maker to set and adjust their wash recipe. Due to changes of dye pickup by natural fiber in fluctuating environmental temperature and humidity, the shade of the fabric deviates very minutely. To adjust this deviation, the shade batching is conducted so that during the washing, this minute deviation could be adjusted in order to make the similar shade in ultimate garments. Fabrics are delivered in automated poly pack to maintain the international quality standard. This is one of the vital areas of quality control. The perfect eye judgment is very important, and that is why the technicians who are engaged in shade batching have to go through the hue test periodically to ensure that their judgment is consistent. We conduct our operations in a sustainable manner which keeps nature least affected. We take full responsibility for keeping it clean for future generations. We have set up a state-of-the-art biological effluent treatment plant designed by Suez with membrane bioreactor technology with a treatment capacity of 29,000 cubic meters per month. ADL has a plan to go for zero discharge water system shortly to make it more and more environmental friendly. All the chemicals used in production are non-toxic, azoto-free, stringently eco-friendly standards, and Ocotex certified. These chemicals are sourced from reputed suppliers like BASF of Germany, Oxford of Australia, Bentech of Thailand, Taiwan, and China. ADL is producing BCI, organic, PCW, as well as fabrics with recycled yarn and supplying to the world-leading denim brands to comply with their global commitment to keep the globe green and better for living. Quality and service are essential while design and development determine the future. In order to stay in fashion with the denim industry, ADL built up a very strong design team consisting of 4 designers from home and abroad. A complete garment sampling unit with brand new machines are dedicated to cater the needs of sampling. The design department maintains close contact and exchanges regular information on products with designers and jeans manufacturers globally. Besides, the design studio is also equipped with various forecasting agencies to gather information on the latest trends. Intensive in-house product development is carried out for the spring or summer and autumn or winter seasons, keeping in mind the latest optic, hand feel, shades, wash effects, and silhouettes of denims. Along with fabric development and marketing handout hangers, the design team creates a garment collection from the same fabrics, showcasing outlines and wash effects, which brings out the best in the developed fabrics. All our developments are maintained in the fabric library and showroom for future reference, presentation, and client support. Design teams of various clients work closely with the design studio and add value to their collection from the past product library. Besides its own collection, the design studio also creates custom-made collections for clients based on their requirements. The design studio also participates in local and global textile fairs like TexWorld Paris, as well as Denims Expo in Dhaka twice a year with the seasonal in-house collection, and makes effective presence in international fashion market. Argon regards employee satisfaction to be important in getting the best output. Therefore, ADL has taken a lot of welfare initiatives to motivate the employees, which includes Workers' Provident Fund, profit sharing, group insurance, proper sanitation, access to pure drinking water, medical services by qualified and experienced physician, proper lights and ventilation. Beside the workers' welfare, ADL is taking care of the local community as a part of CSR programs, where ADL is running a local primary school, giving donation to local mosques for construction work, and donating winter clothes and blankets during winter season. Customer satisfaction, unparalleled services, employee satisfaction, environmental protection, sustainable and high fashion products, and social commitments are the principles of Argon's business.